In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zap using Zapier to automate your workflow between Wix and HubSpot. If you're looking to streamline your tasks and improve efficiency in managing your online platforms, this guide is perfect for you. We'll walk through each step to ensure you can set up this automation with ease. Let's start by creating a new workflow, which Zapier refers to as a Zap. Once you're logged into your Zapier account, you'll navigate to the dashboard. Here, you'll see an option to make a new Zap. Click on that, and you're ready to begin crafting your automation masterpiece. The first step in creating your Zap is to set up a trigger. In this case, our trigger is going to be an app called Wix. You'll want to choose Wix as your trigger app, and then select an event that will prompt this Zap to run. Depending on your needs, you could select New Form Submission if you're looking to capture information from site visitors when they submit forms, or New Order if you're managing online sales. Selecting the right trigger is crucial, as this is what sets your entire automation process in motion. Once our trigger is in place, it's time to connect an action. For our action app, we're going to use HubSpot. Here, you'll choose what you'd like HubSpot to do when the trigger event happens. Would you like to create a new contact every time there's a form submission? Maybe you're looking to generate a new deal whenever an order comes through? Select the appropriate action that aligns with your workflow goals. With Wix and HubSpot connected, it's time to map the fields. This is where you'll match the data from your Wix trigger to the corresponding fields in HubSpot. For example, if your Wix form collects names and emails, map those directly to the name and email fields in HubSpot. This step ensures that the information flows smoothly and accurately between the two platforms, without any manual intervention required later. Before we conclude, it's crucial to test your Zap to ensure everything works as intended. Zapier provides a testing function to simulate the trigger event and observe how the data flows through to HubSpot. Take the time to verify that the correct information appears in the right places. If your test goes as planned, you're nearly done. Finally, all that's left to do is to activate your Zap. Simply turn it on to start your newly automated workflow. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Zap to bridge Wix and HubSpot, simplifying and automating your daily tasks. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in setting up your own Zapier automation. Make sure to explore other potential Zaps to further enhance your productivity.